If you're looking for a condo investment, you can't miss this. If you remember my last vlog where I revealed kung saan ako kumuha ng condo unit, no, it's called Una Apartments. If you haven't already, be sure to head over and scroll on my YouTube channel para makita mo, no, and for you to appreciate the amenities and the different unique features of this condo. Just a refresher, it's Savina Park. The condo is called Una Apartments. It's being developed by Arthaland. It's a renowned developer pagdating sa mga boutique communities. Ngayon, bakit ko fini-feature ulit to kung kaka-feature lang namin ng Una Apartments? It's because puro one bedroom na lang kasi talagang available dito and sold out na ang studio units, but ngayon lang, no, this May, merong na-reopen na 10 studio units and 3 one-bedroom prime units. Sold out na rin kasi yung one-bedroom prime is 35 square meters before. On my previous vlog, I explained in detail the reasons why dito ko kumuha ng condo among the other condos that we're handling here in the South. Pero kung magsasummarize ako at I'll summarize them into 3. Siguro reason number 1 is that kakaiba yung financing niya. Hindi lang siya basta regular or typical na sa pag-ibig or sa bank nila loan. Mas mababa ang interest rate tapos fix ang interest rate niya. Reason number 2 is because it's literally just beside De La Salle University, Laguna campus. And it's also parang kasama na siya dun sa BGC of the South, which is called Broadfield. So it's just gonna be like a walkable community na parang BGC talaga. Maraming commercial buildings. So instead of, alam mo yun, bukod sa mga estudyante, professors, and mga managers na nagtatrabaho sa Technopark, Laguna Technopark, no, meron ka rin mga potential tenants na nanggagaling dun sa commercial side, sa corporate world. Especially pag natapos na yung mga office spaces dito sa Broadfield. So reason number 3 is talaga na mga aesthetic and luxury finish because it's high-end condo. And on top of that, no, may mga unique features yung condo na very smart and talagang na papangatawanan nila yung sustainability. No? As a mechanical engineer, importante sa akin na, alam mo yun, development and building doesn't need to cost the earth. So this vision of Arthaland to really come up with a building that is really efficient, yung utilities na nakakatibit ka sa kuryente at sa tubig, for me, it really makes sense. Ang one bedroom kasi dito is nasa around 12 million na. So we are still offering one bedroom units for those who really need a bigger space. Pero hindi naman lahat kailangan ng nasa 42 square meters. Some of you, papaupahan nyo lang naman to or maybe gagamitin nyo siya when you're here in the Philippines. Kung halimbawa you're a resident or citizen already of another country in the US, in Europe, in Australia, and gusto mo lang ng matatawag na sarili mong property and also a place that you can generate income from, no? At studio unit na 28 square meters is already ideal. Ganun yung unit ko, no? Studio siya. And ang maganda rito, no, makakapili ka pa ng units because again, 10 units yung nagbukas. Syempre, as of this week yon. So, around a couple of days ago lang siya. So, today is May 7, no, 2024. So, hindi ko lang mapromise sa inyo, no, kung hanggang kailan magiging available kung 10 studio units and 3 one-bedroom prime units. Although, pag na-sold out ito, no, edi doon tayo ulit mapupunta sa one-bedroom na deluxe na 42 square meters. So, nasa 12 million na nga. I've been here in this industry for almost 4 years now and nakita ko na talaga yung lahat ng condos dito sa area. And for me, no, imagine, among the other condos that we're handling, ba't ako dito kumuha ng unit because I really see the potential and it really is being part of BGC, no, of the South. It will really make your investment truly worthwhile. Talagang magsaskyrocket lang yung mga presyo dito kasi yung BGC again, ganoon lang din naman nagsimula yan. I know some of you hindi pa naman napanood yung kong vlogs and hindi pa familiar sa area. Now, since ito ay nasa kabilang side ng Binyan, nandun siya sa parang upscale part of Binyan. So, let's have a refresher. Saan nga ba located ang Savina Park? So, pag exit mo ng Calax or Cavite Laguna Expressway sa Laguna Boulevard Interchange, no, dito tayo nag-exit kapag pupunta tayo sa New Valley. Ngayon, papunta dito sa CBD ng Santa Rosa and Binyan. So, ngayon, pag exit mo ng Laguna Boulevard, you'll just turn left, tapos makikita mo doon. Pag diniretso mo yun is Laguna Technopark na siya. So, kumanan ka, yun yung papunta ng Paseo, Arcadia, yan, kilala niya for sure yung Paseo. Pero hindi tayo lalabas, no? Pagka-exit mo ng Calax, kakaliwa ka agad, tapos you'll turn left again, then diretsuhin mo yun. yung road na yun, it's called Laguna Boulevard, no? Andyan, nasa right side yung Laguna Technopark Gate 1. Tapos, andito rin yung Laguna Technopark Gate 2. Then, pag diniretso mo yun, you will see signages of Broadfield and De La Salle University, Laguna Campus. And pag nakita mo na yun, you will just turn left. You will now enter Broadfield. Sa ngayon, ito yung existing na daan because nire-renovate yung isa pang alternative route. Marami kasi ng daanan dito. Kaya na-alleviate talaga yung traffic condition. So, pag kaliwa mo, when you're already in Broadfield, may kita mo doon, no? It's really an exciting development by Ayala Land because it's a 120-hectare master planned community. It's gonna be consisting of 80 hectares worth of commercial development. So, imagine, no? Ano yung kalalabasan nito sa future. Now, makikita mo dito sa Rotonda, sa dulo, pag tinumbok mo yan, andito na yung De La Salle University, Laguna Campus, and it's literally walking distance lang from the condo that I'm talking about because it's a huge campus, 50 hectares to, no? Ngayon, you will just exit, no, do sa Rotonda, tapos kakanan ka and babaybayin mo yung Cecilia Araneta Highway, and here you will be in Savina Park. It's an 8-hectare development by Artaland kung saan nandun yung mga premium villas natin and yung Una Apartments. Again, dito ang deliverable is semi-furnished, the only condo in the entire CBD na ito-turn over sa'yo with IKEA furniture. So, kung studio unit yung unit mo dito, may kasama na siyang dining set for 2 packs, meron na siyang double-sized bed and bed frame, no? May mattress na yun, and split-type air conditioner. And interior pa lang, it's really aesthetic, no? Yung nakikita nyo ngayon, of course, this is just a sample dress-up model unit para magkaroon kayo ng inspiration sa interior design. But of course, dahil nga engineered talaga ito and thoughtfully planned, maganda yung ita-turn over nito, yung stone polymer composite, and gamit mo na lang yung kulang. Another advantage of this condo is that you will be able to really buy low and sell high because talagang wala pa masyadong buildings dito sa area na to. And this is the very first condo in this area. Kaya nga siya una, ikaw yung magiging isa sa mga pinakaunang investors here that will have their rental property. So since it's pre-selling, very flexible pa yung payment terms natin, payable up to 41 months as of this May 2024. So ibig sabihin, halos 4 na taon mo siyang huhulugan. And ang target completion niya is around nasa Q4 2027. So it's around almost 4 years from now pa. So talagang you will be able to prepare for it. So ngayon now, i-elaborate natin ulit, no? Let's have a refresher. Let's recap. Ano nga ba yung financing ito, Pearl? Hindi to sa bank, hindi to sa Pag-ibig. It's really unique. No, sa buong Pilipinas, imagine, 2 developers lang ang na-approve dito sa financing na to. It's called Balay Verde Financing. So it's by NHMFC or National Home Mortgage Finance Corporation. So Verde Financing for short, no, ang talagang kakaiba sa kanya is that fixed ang interest rate for the entire loan period. So sa Pag-ibig kasi at sa bangko, again, no, meron kasi ang fixing period. For example, 3 years or 5 years lang, fix yung interest rate mo. Afterwards, meron ng annual repricing. So, pwedeng bababa, pwedeng tumaas yung interest rate mo. Imagine for 15-20 years, no, pwedeng mag-fluctuate talaga. And dito, bukod sa fix ang interest rate sa Balay Verde, no, dito mababa ang interest rate natin. So, if you're gonna loan this from 5 to 15 years, no, ang interest rate mo is only 4%. Imagine, sa Pag-ibig at sa bank, it's already at 7.5%. Halos doble. Tapos, if ever naman, between 16 to 25 years mo ito ilo-loan, so nasa 5.5% lang interest rate. So, mas mababa pa rin, no? Almost 2% yung difference. So, kung susumahin natin, imagine, kung bibili ka ng condo sa ibang developer, almost the same lang naman yung monthly payment. Yes, mas mataas yung TCP, pero almost the same yung monthly payment because nakakatipid ka dito sa interest. Tapos, you're gonna have a unit that is more luxurious, mas premium yung material sa ginamit. And of course, the amenities, 2 swimming pool dito to cater for the 5 towers. So talagang you really get what you pay for. talagang maganda yung value for money. Kaya ako mismo talaga ay hindi nagdalawang isip nung nakita ko to. I really took the chance and confident ako na my money is really gonna grow here. Now, for one bedroom naman, ang pinakita ko lang sa inyo before is yung one bedroom deluxe na layout because yun yung available natin sa showroom. No, but meron pa tayo isang parang middle na unit. It's called one bedroom prime. No, yung 1BR prime, wala nang model nun, but it's nasa gitna lang talaga na yung sukat. Kung ang studio ay 28, ang one bedroom deluxe is 42. This one is 35 square meters. Kaya if you're looking for a bigger space at gusto mo meron talaga siyang separate na bedroom, I really recommend this. Especially, limited lang talaga yung one bedroom prime sa buong una apartments. Kaya mabilis lang din siyang na-sold out. But ngayon, good news, no? As of today, it's May 7. Meron tayong tatlong na-reopen na units. Again, of course, as we shoot this video is May 7. Pero i-edit pa to. So hopefully makaabot ka pa. So hindi man, meron naman tayong mga studio. Sana may available pa at the time na ma-release to. And of course, meron pa rin naman tayong mga one bedroom deluxe. But just for you to have an idea kung ano itsura niya, meron naman tayong floor plan. Ito yung itsura niya, one bedroom prime. And of course, in terms of finish, wala namang kinaiba yan. In terms of mga layout lang talaga, positioning ng mga gamit at ng bedrooms. Pero yung deliverable niya is ganun pa rin kasing excellent. No, meron siyang kasamang dining set for 2 packs. Then, meron siyang queen bed and 2-seater couch. May split-type air conditioner din. Dalawa, of course. One for the common area and one for the bedroom. This is just an idea of how you can transform and maximize the space. Pero kung ano man yung latest na trending furniture ni IKEA, by the time ito turn over to sa'yo, yun yung ibibigay nila upon turnover. And the best part about this is may kasama na siyang overhead and base cabinets. No? Hindi katulad sa ibang condos na ikaw pa ang mag-i-install ng overhead cabinets mo. So talagang sulit, you get what you pay for. And what I really love about this also is they really prioritize sustainability. Kaya naman meron tayong efficient na building envelope and yung fixtures, yung lighting system, no, and yung water, yung plumbing system are designed to save at least 20% sa utility bill mo. Now, how much is a condo unit here in Una Apartment? Sa studio unit muna tayo na 28 square meters. So you have 2 payment terms to choose from. Now, one is 10-10-80 or 10% spot, 10% spread, 80% via Malay Verde. Yung isa naman is special term. So, ngayon lang natin i-discuss itong special term because ito ay limited time lang siya ino-offer. So, it's just like a promotion. Okay? So, ang price talaga ng studio na 28 square meters is 7.7 million. No, VAT inclusive na yan. So, ang una mong babayaran is reservation fee ng 50K. Tapos after nun, no, wala kang babayarang spot down payment. Kasi yung original terms talaga natin na standard, yun yung 10-10-80. Obligado, magbabayad ka ng 10% spot. So, nasa around 700K yun. Pero mamaya natin pag-usapan yan, dito muna tayo sa special. So, after paying 50K reservation fee, for example, today, every month, no, magmamonthly ka lang ng 20,000 pesos. No, ngayong May lang yan, okay? So, sa ibang buwan, pwede magbago na yan. So, 20K per month for 41 months. So, almost 4 years. Tapos, meron ka lang annual lump sum or meron ka lang every anniversary, magbabayad ka ng 75K. So, parang 3 beses lang yun. So, instead of 20K, every anniversary, 75K babayaran mo. Tapos, sa dulo, andun na yung lump sum. Instead na magbayad ka ng isang bagsakan sa unahan, sa dulo natin siya ilalagay, di ba? Sobrang convenient. You have almost 4 years to prepare for that. So, ibig sabihin, sa 41st month, doon ka magbabayad ng 500K. Tapos, yung balance, ipapasok natin sa Balay Verde financing na na-explain ko kanina. So, kung halimbawa 25 years to pay, yung pipiliin mo, nasa 37,000 per month ang magiging amortization mo. Ang required income nasa around 120,000. If ever naman na 15 years to pay yung pipiliin mo, nasa 45K naman siya per month, then ang income requirement nasa around 150,000. Then sa dulo kasabay ng balance, you will just settle the title transfer fees na nasa around 200K. Ano naman yung standard term? For example, gusto mo i-avail yung standard term na 10-10-80, ibig sabihin 10% spot, 10% spread, then 80% balance. No? This is para sa mga tao na meron naman na talagang nakaprepare na funds na ayaw nang maggasto sa ibang bagay. And gusto mo na talaga mag-invest and meron ka nang naipon. So, para maka-discount ka kahit papano, pwede mo tong mapili. So, after reservation fee ng 50K, no, magsaspot ka ng 10%. So, ang total price natin, dahil nga discounted siya, instead of 7.7, nasa around 7.6 million. So, I think mga nasa 70K din yung matitipid mo dito. Or 70 to 80K, ganyan. So, after reservation of 50K, magsaspot ka ng nasa around 700,000 after 1 month. Tapos, moving forward, for 40 months, 18,000 pesos lang. 1/8. So, 18K. Then, after nun, yung balance, iloloan mo lang din sa Balay Verde Financing. Magkano naman ang 1-bedroom prime unit? So, again, this is 35 square meters. So, dalawa rin ang payment terms, 10-10-80 and special term. For special term, so ang total price natin is 9.7 million pesos. The reservation fee is also 50K. Then, 30K naman ang monthly payment mo for 41 months. 30,030. Tapos, meron ka lang din annual lump sum. So, meaning to say, yung month number 12, 24, at 36 ay 75K. Parang kanina lang din sa studio. Tapos, sa dulo, yun ka man magsasettle. Kumbaga yung lump sum, instead na nasa unahan, nasa dulo rin siya. Nasa 500,000 pesos. Sa month 41 pa, almost 4 years. Tapos, yung balance naman, pag ninulat natin sa Balay Verde Financing, if 25 years to pay yung napili mo, nasa around nasa 48,000 ang monthly amortization. Income requirement nasa 160,000 pesos. If ever 15 years to pay naman, nasa around 57,000 ang amortization per month. Tapos, ang required income is nasa 190,000 pesos. For standard term naman na 10-10-80, so dahil nga magsaspot ka ng 10%, makaka-discount ka ng I think almost 100,000. So, ang magiging total price mo na is magiging 9.6 million pesos. Tapos, ang reservation fee mo is 50K din. Then, magsaspot ka after 1 month ng 900,000 pesos. Again, ideal to para dun sa mga taong meron nang naitabi talaga for real estate investment. Then, moving forward, 23,000 na lang yung monthly payment mo for the entire 40 months. So again, spot ka lang 900, then 23K per month for 40 months. Then yung balance na 80%, ilaloan mo lang din siya sa Verde program. Then sa dulo, no, kasabay ng balance, you will just settle the title transfer fees na almost 300K. I hope you enjoyed this recap of Una Apartments. Now, I really can promise, no, kung hanggang kailan lang magkakaroon itong mga reopened studio and 1-bedroom prime units. But then again, kapag hindi ka umabot, meron naman tayong mga 1-bedroom deluxe. Ngayon, kung hindi naman pasok sa budget mo yung mga 12 million, let's see kung ano pa yung mga ibang options available. But then again, ako nga mismo, dito ako nag-invest. Kaya, syempre, as your accountability buddy or partner dito sa investment, so, syempre maganda kung nasan ako, andun din kayo. If you want to learn more about Una Apartments or Savina Park and Broadfield, I suggest you look for my previous vlogs where I explained in detail kung ano ba yung nag-iintay, what to expect in this future BGC of the South. No, pinakita ko doon ano ba yung mga aabangan natin sa Broadfield and why Una Apartments is really a wise investment. But of course, if you really want to see, no, and be familiarized with the area, be sure to contact me para makapag-schedule ka ng viewing. And if you also want to learn more about this exciting development, my mobile or WhatsApp is 0956-356-2753, and I'm also on TikTok and Facebook at The Dynamic Realtor. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-comment dito and click like, subscribe, and the notification bell para lagi kayo updated sa mga exciting investment opportunities here in the South. Once again, this is Earl, The Dynamic Realtor, showing you premium properties you deserve.